Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our Practical English Conversation series. Today, we have a special treat for you, a fun and enlightening conversation that showcases the power of effective communication and conflict resolution in the workplace. In this episode, we join our office pals, Emily and Alex, as they embark on a delightful challenge to improve their skills for the betterment of the team. With a touch of humor and practicality, they navigate through workplace dynamics, support each other's growth, and learn to master the art of resolving conflicts. Now, it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy as Emily and Alex show us how teamwork, camaraderie, and a sprinkle of comedy can lead to personal and professional growth. Let's dive into their hilarious and heartwarming journey, right here on Ash.
Hey, Alex, can we talk for a moment? I noticed you took credit for the team's work during the meeting yesterday.
Oh, I didn't mean to come across that way. I thought it would help our chances with the boss.
Help our chances or yours? You know, we're all in this together, right?
Okay, you caught me. My bad. But you must admit, it was pretty smooth.
Smooth, huh? More like smooth operator over here. But seriously, it's essential we share the limelight and give credit where it's due.
You're right. I should have handled it differently.
Oh, and don't even get me started on your coffee machine skills. I've seen better magic tricks at the circus.
Hey, the coffee machine and I have a special bond. Sometimes it decides to cooperate, sometimes not.
I think it has a vendetta against you. But hey, how about we compromise? I'll handle the coffee machine, and you'll resist the urge to hog the spotlight?
Deal. I'll even throw in my amazing dance moves for free.
Whoa, let's not scare away the entire office. One step at a time, okay?
Fair enough. And you know what? I appreciate you calling me out on these things.
Likewise. It's all about open communication, right?
Absolutely. And hey, let's use our teamwork skills to impress the boss together next time.
Oh, I like that idea. We'll be an unstoppable duo.
With teamwork comes great success.
And with great success comes a coffee machine that actually works. You know, Alex, I appreciate your dedication to the job, but sometimes it feels like you're taking on more than you can handle.
Really? I thought I was doing pretty well.
Oh, you are. But let's not forget that we have a team for a reason. We're here to support each other, right?
You're right. I don't want to be the one holding everyone back.
And you won't be. We just need to strike a balance between taking initiative and relying on each other's strengths.
Balance, huh? I've always been better at juggling schedules than juggling tasks.
Well, I'm here to help you with the task juggling. Consider me your juggling coach.
Great, Coach Emily. Teach me your magical ways.
All right, Alex, let's have a challenge. We each try to learn one new skill to benefit the team within the next 2 weeks.
I'm up for it. I'll learn to improve my presentation skills.
Perfect. And I'll master the art of making a perfect cup of coffee. Deal?
Deal. But beware, Emily, you might have some tough competition when it comes to coffee.
We'll see about that, Mr. Coffee Magician.